Okay, today's video we're gonna find the vertical asymptote. Okay, let's give up a function. F of x is equal to 1 over x. So as you see, this is a rational function. Well, if the bottom is 0, then this function will break. Well, it can't be 0, so you got to set the bottom can't be equal to 0. So x can be 0, so the vertical asymptote, you can just write VA is where x equals 0. Okay? But that can be 0 though. This is like where x is 0. Next one, let's say 1 over 2 minus x. Well, okay. You know that the bottom cannot be 0. Let's move the 2 to the other side. So negative x not equal to minus 2. So x not equal to 2. So the VA is at x equal to 2. And like if you graph it out, it's gonna be a graph. It's not gonna touch the y-axis or cross it because that's where x equal to. Next one, let's say 2 over x. Well, 2 over x look like this. Kind of look like that. So see the graph? This is the graph, but they don't really touch the y. As you can see, the vertical asymptote is right here. So it's that x is not equal to, well, that's right, VA. Yeah. So we have 4 over x squared plus 4. As you see, let's set the bottom not equal to 0. Minus 4, subtract 4 both sides. Take a square root. Just when you do in function, you don't need to do the plus or minus. So x is equal to, so I can see, you know it, this is an imaginary number, 2y. Y squared is negative 1. And negative 2, yeah. So if it's imaginary, there's no vertical asymptote. So there's our non-VA. Let me write correctly. There's our non-VA. Yeah. Well, as you see, let's let's switch it a little bit. So plus. Let's set the bottom not equal to 0. So x squared cannot be 0. I mean 4. Take a square root both sides, so x cannot be 2. And there's no plus or minus. Well, technically, yes, this or plus or minus. My bad on the last example. So it's plus or minus 2. This cannot be 0. So it's 2 and minus 2. So it's two answers. Let's factor this and see what happens. So it's x plus 2. Factor denominator is x minus 2 times x plus 2. So as you can see, this and this cancel. So we're left with 1 over x minus 2. Let's set this not equal to 0. So x cannot be 2. So we only take the positive here. So there's no negative. So this is the only answer. So VA is at minus 2. I mean, positive 2. That's it. Well, hold up. I forgot. That is the right it.